Children of God, the first Christmas celebration recorded during the Spanish era in the Philippines took place in 1565 at Fort San Pedro in Cebu. It was organized by the Spanish missionaries and soldiers who had just established the first Catholic settlement in the country. It was not grand, but it was filled with meaning. After years of travel and hardship, they gathered in the small fort to celebrate the birth of Christ with joy and thanksgiving. That first Christmas in the Philippines marked not only the coming of the gospel to Asia's first Christian nation, but also a reminder that God had entered our story, our land, our culture, our history. The message was clear then, as it is now. God is with us, even in humble beginnings. Every Christmas time, we hear one of the most profound declarations in all of Scripture. And the Word became flesh and dwelt among us. The eternal Word who was with God and was God from the beginning took on our humanity and entered our world. This is the heart of Christmas, the mystery of a God who does not stay distant in heaven, but chooses to live among His people. He walks with us in our struggles, weeps with us in our pain, and rejoices with us in our joys. This truth changes everything. God is not an idea to be studied or a power to be feared. He is a presence to be loved. When the Word became flesh, He gave our lives new dignity. Every home, every street, and every person capable of reflecting His divine light. As John says, the light shines in the darkness, and the darkness has not overcome it. No matter how dark our times may seem, the light of Christ continues to shine. Just as that first Christmas brought faith to a small community that later grew into the nation of believers, God continues to plant His presence in our hearts today. Each time we show kindness, forgive others, or bring hope to some in despair, we make God visible once again in our world. The Incarnation is not just a past event. It continues whenever love takes flesh in us. Children of God, the Word has become flesh and remains among us. Let's welcome Him not only in our churches, but in our homes, in our work, in our relationships. May the light of Christ dwell in us so that others may feel His presence through our love. This is Father Felmar, SVD, your Good News caster from Radio Veritas Asia, the voice of Asian Christianity.
Thank you for watching and listening. Stay inspired every day with our daily reflections. Be part of our growing online community of faith and inspiration. Don't miss a single reflection. Follow us on our social media platforms